All right. Here I'm demonstrating what is probably the most difficult job of removing the fuel filter is learning how to remove this cover. There are a total of 5 fasteners I'm showing right now. 3 of the fasteners, which are screws. They're very easily seen and very easily removed with a 1/4-inch ratchet and an 8mm socket. Very obvious where those are once you get yourself underneath the car on the driver's side. It's the 2 other fasteners where things get weird. They are in a strange location, and you'll find yourself underneath the car, craning your neck to see them. There I'm demonstrating where the control arm bushing is on the driver's side. And just back from that control arm bushing are where the 2 remaining fasteners are. There are 2 studs that stick out from the frame and go through those holes, and then the nuts attached to those studs to hold that portion of the fuel filter in place. So again, you've got 3 screws, 8mm. Then you've got these 2 other fasteners, which are nuts. And it's, again, odd. You see them there, but you're in disbelief that you can get an 8mm socket on them, or any socket for that matter. But you can. It's just that they're just an odd. Here's a good close-up. They're just an odd fastener. They're not on there tight, but again, they're in a funny position. So to reach those, you will need to add an extension onto your 1/4-inch ratchet, then the socket. That'll give you enough room to move the ratchet and get those out of there. Once that's removed, you'll see the fuel filter. It's exposed. There's a clamp holding it up against the body. It's got those 2 tangs there, and a 10mm nut you'll remove from the stud and it extends out from that hole. There are a total of 4 clamps and 4 hoses, 2 inlet, 2 outlet. Those are the original OEM hoses. You can't get a socket on there, so you'll need to use a screwdriver. Then you'll need to pull those hoses off by whatever means works for you. Could be a pair of pliers or your hands. The vacuum hose is very easy to remove, and the full version of the original video talks about this in greater detail. So go there if you want to learn more about that. And that's it.